Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Romance Angel Divination guys. Today's tarot reading is going to be different guys. We'll be picking cards from the deck for your daily readings from the tarot deck, and I'll be giving your interactive love reading guys. So I'll be doing two readings actually. So I'll be picking cards from this deck. This is the Rumi deck, that is card number 1, the deck number 1, and this is the Wisdom Oracle deck guys. So this is the Oracle card number 2. So I'll be giving readings from both the decks. So whatever you feel like watching for your love energies guys, you can click that link and watch that video at the end. So this reading will resonate for all signs guys. So this is going to be a different kind of reading today. If you like this reading, please give your comments and I'll be happy to know your suggestions guys. Let's start the reading now. Hi Scorpios, this is your daily reading guys. For your love reading, it's going to be different guys. So I'll be doing readings from Rumi Oracle deck and the Wisdom Oracle deck. So whichever deck you choose, please click on the link. So you will go to that reading guys and you can watch that for your love energy. So right now for your general reading, we'll be picking 3 cards for your daily energies Scorpios. These are for your daily energies, and stay tuned for this interactive love reading guys, and please comment, let me know whether you like this reading. I'll be doing more of such readings in future for you all guys. So for your daily energy Scorpios, 3 of Cups, Death, the Hangman in reverse. So with these cards guys, Scorpios, the daily energies for you all is that you are celebrating guys. Something happy has taken place, maybe in your work, some happy changes, and you are celebrating, enjoying with the people whom you can rely on, maybe your friends or family, with whom you feel that sense of support and understanding, that team spirit, and you are celebrating this day with them. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you are getting some new changes in your life, something really transforming. Maybe it may be a physical, or it may be a emotional or a spiritual transformation guys. You are getting a clarity in your situation. Some deep understanding is taking place within yourself. You are giving up your old ideas, or your something physical. Maybe it may be just clearing away the clutter in your room, something really basic or physical, or it may relate to something purely mental, some emotional changes, how you feel towards a certain situation or towards some people. So whatever the feelings or emotions that was not working for you, you are changing all those. So some transitions are happening today guys in your life, or it may relate to your work situation also. So some old ideas or some choices that are not working, you are giving that up, and you are taking up that some new choices, or you are going towards some new idea that you are deciding on today, and you are giving up the old way of doing your work. So some transitions, some positive changes are happening. That is what I see here. You are letting go of the old ways and starting something new. That is what I see here, guys. And you are changing the way you see your situation, guys. The way you perceive your situation, how things are going. Your perception is changing. And maybe for some of you all, you may be making some selfish decisions, or this person in your relationship, they may be making some selfish, immature decisions, you may feel, or you may feel, or they may feel you are making some selfish decisions. Maybe you are not thinking of them, you are just thinking for yourself and making that choice. So they may feel hurt, or it may be something in your work situation. Certain decisions you are deciding for yourself, not taking into account the people whom you are working with, your team members, or if you are the CEO, you are not considering the employees who are working for you. So some decisions you are making just for yourself, for your happiness, guys, and it is stressing this other person, or this may be your person's decision and it may be stressing you. So it works vice versa, guys, or it may be something relating to your work situation. And today you may be meeting with people, guys, with this card. That is what I said. You are spending time celebrating. Maybe you are trying to be polite to please that crowd. Maybe you are going to a party with your friends, your colleagues, or your family members, and you are trying to falsely project yourself, just being courteous externally, but internally you may be angry with them, having some resentments or holding some grudges. So that's also what I see here. So some transitions are coming your way, Scorpios. Maybe it is time you have to think of others before you make certain decisions. Don't go in for those selfish, immature decisions today, guys. That is what I see here. So for your love energies, guys, click on to that deck from which you want to get that reading, guys. So stay tuned for your love energies, Scorpios.